What is finance? What is the nature of finance? This is the first issue we must clarify. Well, finance can be defined in many ways. For example, finance can be defined as a study of how investors allocate their money and their time under conditions of certainty and uncertainty. Finance is a science that describes the management, the creation, and study of money, and also banking, credit, investment, assets, and liabilities. A key point in finance which affects decisions is the time value of money, which states that an euro or a dollar today is worth more than an euro or a dollar tomorrow. Somehow, finance measures the risk versus profits and gives an indication of whether the investment is good or not. Finance consists of financial systems, which include public finance, corporate finance, and personal finance. Public finance is the study of the role of the government in economy. Corporate finance is about the monetary decisions that business enterprises make and the tools and analysis used to make these decisions. The primary goal of corporate finance is to maximize shareholders' value. And last but not least, personal finance. Personal finance is the financial management which an individual or a family unit is required to do to obtain budget, savings, and get monetary resources over time. All this taking into account a number of financial risks and future life events. Glossary. In this lecture, we've heard the following terms: finance, finanzas, investor, inversor, or inversionista, to allocate, asignar or distribuir, certainty, certeza, uncertainty, incertidumbre, management, gestión, creation, creación, study, estudio, money, dinero. By the way, most money consists of bank deposits, which is the money that people and organizations have in bank accounts. Most of it is on paper, and only about 10% of it exists in the form of cash in the bank. So there are different types of money. When we say bill in American English, or when we say note or bank note in British English, in Spanish is billete, currency is divisa, cash, efectivo, bank account, cuenta bancaria, loan, préstamo. Okay, banking is usually an adjective. In Spanish is bancario. When we talk about private banking, is banca privada. Investment is inversión. Assets, activos. Liabilities, pasivos. Time value of money, valor temporal del dinero. Risk, riesgo. Profits, ganancias or beneficios. It depends on the context. Financial system, sistema financiero. Public finance, finanzas públicas. Corporate finance, finanzas corporativas. Personal finance, finanzas personales, or sometimes we can see it as finanzas privadas. Shareholder value, valor para el accionista. Business, negocio. And finally, we've talked about enterprises, which is empresas. Okay, so far so good.